Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will explain to you the B00B5-12 code. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, first I will explain you what's happening on this Jeep. So as you can see, I have the service airbag system message displayed as soon as I start the vehicle, and the airbag light, the red airbag light, is on the instrument cluster as well. And when I scanned the system, I got B00B5-12 code, and that code actually refers to driver's seat track position sensor faulty. Now that sensor is located actually under the driver's seat. Now what you can try doing actually to get rid of that code, you can try disconnecting that sensor. I will show you that shortly. Cleaning it with electrical contact cleaner. So just clean that connection and then try to connect it back. Before you do that, it's also a good idea to disconnect the battery. And once you did that, if you still have that code, then the next step is to check all the wiring towards that sensor, and then in the end, worst case scenario, you will have to replace the sensor, because from my experience these sensors fail quite often on Dodge, Jeep and Chrysler vehicles, and this sensor is completely same part number on any of their products. So any Dodge, like Dodge Grand Caravans or Town and Countries or I don't know, it's pretty much all the same part, and it's quite cheap actually. New from dealer is $29. I just ordered one for this specific vehicle because I tried everything else and nothing worked. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, you want to leave the seat all the way up. That way you will have more space to work under the seat, right? And actually just by moving this seat, your airbag light might go off in case you have just a bad connection issue or a wiring issue, because this sensor is actually responsible for this seat position, right? I will try to turn on the flash on my phone, so hopefully I'll be able to show you where is that sensor. Okay. Okay, so this is the connection. I'm gonna zoom it in, you see? This is the... okay, I lost it now. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, this is the connection. This is the sensor you want to disconnect. And that would be quite hard here from the front end. So I will show you how to do it from the back of the seat. So what you want to do, you want to disconnect it, you want to inspect the wiring, and you want to clean that connection with the electrical contact cleaner, and hope for the best. Okay, now I'm on the back of the seat, and here is that sensor, right? So this is the sensor, and this is the wire you have to disconnect. Now on top of this connector there is like a red safety thing, a safety clip. So I have this screwdriver. You just have to kind of push it out, and then once you do that, then you should be able to completely disconnect this sensor. I actually disconnected it just with my screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna pull this here so you can see it better. Okay, here it is, you see. So once you plug it back in, you just have to push this red thing all the way in, and that's gonna lock it in place. And then you just push onto this clip, that same red clip, to pull it out. Now one important thing with this, you always want to inspect this wiring right here, right? Because if this wiring is broken or damaged, that will trigger your airbag light. And like I said, you just want to use some WD not WD-40, the electrical contact cleaner on that sensor connection back there, and on this side as well. And when it dries out, just connect it back, and yeah, hope for the best. But worst case scenario, you just have to replace this sensor. It's like $29 at Dodge dealership, and in my case I have to replace it, and this is not the first time I'm dealing with this on Dodge, Jeep and Chrysler with this same code. So these sensors like to fail. Now I still didn't figure out how to remove this sensor here. There has to be some kind of a mounting screw or something, and I'm afraid I'll have to remove the seat to be able to remove that sensor. I haven't gotten that far yet. I'm planning to record a video actually on how to replace it, but this is just educational video. If you have this code, where is your problem? So your problem is this sensor right here, and it's gonna be on a different location, probably on different vehicles. This is a Jeep Cherokee, but still you just have to locate it. It's gonna be somewhere on a rail, right? And yeah, but quite often just by disconnecting these wires and plugging back in, that can fix the problem as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.